Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well. I'm really sorry this video is so late, but I haven't had time to even think about planning, let alone actually plan, and it's kind of not been stuff that I can plan for. It's kind of been like an ebb and flow of things, so either way, here we are. I have this Cozy Fall mini kit from SaraElizabethPrints. We'll go through these 4 pages. This is on her high quality mat. I don't know if I ever hauled this. I think I filmed it on like a camera I was testing, and then I never did anything with the footage, so here we are. Either way, here are the full boxes. This one says, autumn is my favorite color. Then we have fall, and then this one says home sweet home. Then we have the mini checklists, various things, sidebars, half boxes, bill dues, appointment labels, date covers, sidebar headers, bottom washi, a full set of glitter headers, weekend banner, flags, a movie marquee, and a ton of functional deco. So to bring in with this kit, I decided that rose gold, it doesn't really matter which one you bring in. So I just have the Scotch Expressions rose gold. It's probably a 5mm washi. Well, it doesn't have millimeters on it. It came in a pack at Target of like 5. There's a champagne gold, a yellow gold, like 2 silvers, and then a rose gold. So I have this, and then I have this washi tape that I got off Wish last year when I was really into buying on Wish. And it kind of has the pumpkins and acorns and leaves that this kit has on it. Now with the bottom washi being so busy, I'm gonna top it off with the rose gold. I'm saying a lot. I don't even know where to begin. So let's look back at last week here and we'll give you a little update, okay? So as I told you at the end of the video last week, my husband had surgery this day. I had a dentist appointment, emergency dentist appointment at 4 o'clock after his surgery. Severe sinus infection caused one of my teeth to basically get infected because it's the one that's connected to the sinus, and then my face swelled. So I had to go to the dentist, and I just went to the dentist again today because it's, you know, you gotta fix it, right? So they put me on a round of antibiotics. That's all good. Now, hubby had surgery, and then I was home this day because I had to be with him, and then this day as well to be with him because I had to drive him to his post-op, which I didn't even put in here. Lovely. Well, here's what's left of this kit from Sparkle's Delight. I can pop his post-op in there. Let's see. It's technically planning, right? I haven't used one of these ones. So we're just going to do this. And then there's not really a doctor icon, so I'm just going to use the car because I had to take him. But I did have quite a bit left from this kit, so I can do other things with it. Let's see, this was post-op. And let me tell you, it's been an adventure. Not to get into like what surgery he had or anything, because I haven't asked him if that was okay. But it's one that, like I have to take care of it. So I went back to work on Friday, and then it's just been a crazy everything ever since. Work has been insane. Home's been insane. I'm completely exhausted, and I don't know what to do anymore. So, yeah, there was a lot left. I only ended up using one piece of deco over here to fill in some space. and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get more use out of this kit at some point. So now that we're caught up there, we're going to jump into this week. This is the 12th through the 18th. If you don't already know, I collab with the Plan With Me design group every week, and they're a wonderful group of people, and you should definitely go check them out. Even if you don't post planner videos, if you wanted to be a part of the Plan With Me design group, you can just join our Facebook group, and there'll be a link down below for that. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments, and I really do appreciate everybody's well wishes for my husband, and, you know, keeping him in your prayers. I really do appreciate that, and, you know, it touches my heart that you guys care about me and my family so much, and I feel so blessed to have you all as my friends. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this. You will see me putting in some pretty permanent plans beginning of the week, and we'll just keep on trucking. So I hope you enjoyed the music, and let's get this video started. So here we go. I'm sorry if you can hear the neighbors banging. They're building something. My camera overheated and I didn't get to finish this out, so here we are. It has been a couple of days later, but this is how the spread turned out, and give you a little rose gold wiggle. I do love that these little Erin Condren stickers are in the back because they help so much with adding that little bit of foil, because I don't buy foil stickers, so, but yeah. This week's been kind of crazy. I don't see next week getting any easier, but I wanted to get this video up. Please check out the Plan With Me design group down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.